Can't wait to decorate, but it's dark in here. I need some light. Uh-oh, it's not working. What could it be?
Hey Chantye, the issue that you're having is that particular outlet is controlled by this light switch. See that? The outlet that's upside down is the one that you will always know is controlled by the switch. One of those plugs has constant power and one of them is controlled by this switch. When you have it plugged in to another outlet, you always have the power. But with this top one, you only have it with this switch.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.